So hello and welcome guys, welcome to our YouTube channel SLR the Universal Hub. Hoping you and your family are in good health and living a very good life. So friends, if you are new to channel, so please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon, so whenever I upload this kind of an interesting technical video on my channel, you will get notified instantly. So today in this video, what we are going to talk about is math library in JavaScript. So if you are a JavaScript programmer, or maybe you are a student or learning JavaScript, math is a very important library if you are writing program, whether you are developing website, whether you are developing application or cross platform application. Math is one of the most common library which you will be using on different kind of application which you are developing now or maybe developing in the future. So there are inbuilt function in math library using which you can perform task, or you do, and you do not need to write that function from the scratch. Without any further delay in this video, let us start with the tutorial part here. So math library in JavaScript contain many different kind of a constant and functions here. So let us first go through the constant. So first constant which I'm going to talk about is Euler number. So mat.e with will return Euler number which is 2.7. This is a constant in math library. And let me tell you one thing, overall math library is a static library, so you do not need to create object for it to access the method inside it. They are all static and you can just access those method using mat dot and that name of that particular method. So first we are going with the constant part. So here mat.e. So mat.de in a constant in math library which will return as a Euler number. So let us go on the next one, and the next one is mat.pi. It will return as the value of pi which is 3.14. And the next one is square root 2, which will return as the square root of 2, which is 1.41. And the next one constant in math library is square root of 1.5, which is 0.7. And let us next, and the next constant in math library is log of natural log of 2. And the next constant is natural log of 10, which is 2.3. And next constant in math library is the base 2 logarithm of e. Here we are getting the value 1.41. You can also verify all this value by going through online. These are all the constant value which mostly you use in the different kind of written program. So here we got the pi value. This pi value can be used in different kind of a program. If you are calculating any radius of circle, volume of the circle, volume of cylinder, so this value will be used at that particular place. We have Euler number here, and here we got some constant square root of 2. So square root of 2 is a very common number which you might be using or you will be using in your future project. And the next one constant in the math library is base 10 logarithm of e. So here we base 10 logarithm of e. Here we got this value, and this is 0.434294. So these are the constant which are in the math library of JavaScript. So let us now start with the method which are inside the JavaScript part and what method they perform in JavaScript. So let us first go to the math.round method. So math.round method, what will it do, it will round up whichever float value you provide or double value you provide in this. So let me give it 7.7 here. So 7.7 which is nearest to 8 is rounded up to 8. So what does math.round method do is that if you provide a value like x.5, so it will round up that particular value to the nearest value. Like if you provide 3.5, then it will round up to 4, and if you provide 3.4, it will round up to 3. It like if the fractional part is less than zero point 0.5, then it will go toward the left part, and if the fractional part is equal to or greater than 0.5, then it will move up to the right part of the number digit line. So let me show you. Here we will provide 5, and it is still giving you 8, but let us now provide it with 4. So as you can see, when I provided the value, the fractional part less than 5, it will round up to the left part of the number line. So this is the math.round function in the JavaScript. So let us move forward the next JavaScript method, which is math.ceil. So math.ceil is similar to round method in JavaScript, but what does math.ceil perform is not similar to math.run. What it does, if you provide any fractional part, if it is 7.1, 7.2, it doesn't matter to math.ceil. It will round up to the rightward part of the number line. So let me provide here 7.1. So as you are seeing, it is rounded up to the rightest part of the number line, which is 8. And let us provide 0.1. It doesn't matter to it whether you provide 0.1 in this math.ceil method, but it will always round up to the rightmost number on the number lines. But if you just provide 0, then so it will round up that particular number to add that exact value at that. So math.ceil is little bit different from the math.round. It will always round up that particular value to the right part of the number line, but if you provide any fractional part in it. So let us move to the next method of the JavaScript, which is math.floor. So functionality of the math.floor method in JavaScript is also like we can describe it is opposite to ceil method. What does ceil method do? It will always round up that the fractional part to the rightmost part of the number line. But what does math.floor do is it will round up that particular fractional part always to the leftmost part of the number line. So let me provide here 6.7. So as you are seeing, it will round up to the left part of the number line, which is 6. Let us provide minimum value, but it is still rounding it that particular number to the leftmost part on the number line, which is 6. So this is the math.floor method in JavaScript math library. Let us now move up to the next method, which is math.trunk. So math.trunk method is also similar to math.floor method, but now you might be thinking, then if both of these methods are similar, then why we need two different kind of a method? So let me tell you one thing. What does math.trunk do? It will just remove the fractional part and give you integer part. But what does math.floor do? It will always move up to the left part of the number line. So let me show you. So as you are seeing, if you write 7.6, it is giving you 7. But what if we do this thing in math.floor? So let us see. So you are getting the -8. So let me explain the part here. So math.trunk method, what it does here is just remove the fractional part and give you the integer part here. But what does math.floor do? It move toward the left part of the number line, which on the left part we will got the negative, which is around 7.6 is rounded up to the -8 here. So that is how these two method is different here. Let us move to the next method in here, and that method will be as you are seeing, there are list of a method. So let us choose any random method here which is most commonly used in. So let us go with the power. So what does power method do in JavaScript? It will, as you are seeing, for the power method we got the two parameters here, x and y. So the power method will multiply the value x y times here. So let me give it value 2 and give value 2. So the 2 to the power is 4, and let us test one more time and give it value 6. So to the power of 6 is 64. So this is the power method in JavaScript. Let us move forward the next common method which is used in JavaScript, and we have done with this. Let us go with the minimum method here. So what does min method do? If you provide an array of a number 1, 2, 3, 4, so it will choose the minimum number from here. So we got the one value from this array of list, and with the similar functionality we have max function here, which will choose the maximum number from the list. And let us move forward the next most common method which is used in JavaScript is the random method. So let me explain you what does the random method do in JavaScript. It will return you a value between the 0 and 1. So random method is one of those methods which are constantly used in different kind of application, because developer don't want any customer or user of the website to guess some maybe password functionality in the website. So they need some randomization there. So they use this random method which generate any random number between 0 to 1, and after applying some algorithm or a mathematical calculation on here, they get exact any number or any random value, so they can so the customer cannot easily guess that particular value here. So guys, these are the some of the most common used math function in JavaScript. There are also some other function in math library which are sine, cos, cosecant h, a cosecant h, logarithmic exponential method in the math library, but that are not very commonly used method. So I'm not going to explain those method here, and if you want to me to make a video on those method as well, you can just request me in the comment section, and I will definitely make a video on those method as well. So guys, one more time I'm requesting you, if you are new to channel, please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I upload the video on my YouTube channel. And also please like the video if this video is any little help to you in your career, and please share this video to your friends so they can also learn this amazing feature of JavaScript. So thank you friends, this is it for the video. We will meet in the next video. Goodbye friends.